Hello friends and welcome back. The unveiling of Afghanistan's largest iron smelting factory and rail production line stands as a monumental achievement in the nation's industrial narrative. Positioned amidst an aura of eager anticipation and profound pride, the commencement ceremony of the second phase of the Mellet Steel Factory transcends mere symbolism. It marks a pivotal juncture in Afghanistan's industrial odyssey. As the factory workforce adorns their uniforms and gathers beneath the azure helmets, the air crackles with excitement. This factory, a veritable beacon of national significance, embodies the aspirations of Afghanistan's industrial sector. The inauguration of the second phase, entailing an investment surpassing $50 million, ushers in a new epoch of economic advancement and self-reliance. Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar, the economic deputy of the Islamic Emirate, accentuates the government's unwavering commitment to facilitating access to raw materials by awarding mining contracts to manufacturing plants. This strategic maneuver aims to fortify local industries and diminish reliance on imports, thereby fostering economic expansion and stability. In the midst of dignitaries, investors and entrepreneurs, the head of Mellet Steel Factory underscored the substantial employment opportunities spawned by the expansion. With an estimated 3,000 direct employees and tens of thousands indirectly benefiting, the factory's impact transcends the confines of its production lines. The inauguration of the second phase not only signifies augmented iron production, but also paves the way for the launch of Afghanistan's largest rail production line. This initiative stands poised to revolutionize the nation's transportation infrastructure and catalyze economic development on a grand scale. Nevertheless, challenges persist. The procurement of certain equipment poses logistical quandaries necessitating governmental intervention. Additionally, calls for reduction in export tariffs underscore the delicate balance between economic incentives and nurturing domestic industries. Peering into the horizon, plans for the third phase of production, inclusive of establishing rail and gator lines, underscore the factory's unwavering dedication to perpetual innovation and expansion. Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar reaffirms the government's stance on buttressing domestic factories through heightened import tariffs, signaling a concerted endeavor to prioritize local industries. The paramount importance of the steel industry in the realm of economic development cannot be overstated. The expansion of the Mellet Steel Factory constitutes a pivotal stride towards attaining economic autonomy, fostering job creation, and augmenting export capabilities. By harnessing indigenous mineral resources, the factory not only bolsters the national economy, but also lays the groundwork for sustainable growth. The fruition of the project is anchored in meticulous planning, exhaustive design, and adherence to international benchmarks. Contemporary equipment, coupled with cutting-edge technologies, ensures efficacy, excellence, and safety across production processes. Moreover, the establishment of mining contracts with the government fosters resource sustainability and cost-effectiveness. The strategic positioning of the factory in both domestic and international markets is palpable through its export agreements and market outreach endeavors. By incessantly refining production methodologies and investing in technology and training, Mellet Steel Factory remains poised to augment its competitive edge and broaden its market footprint. Beyond economic imperatives, the project epitomizes a commitment to environmental stewardship and social accountability. By prioritizing safety protocols and minimizing environmental footprint, the factory sets a paradigm for sustainable industrial practices in Afghanistan. At the opening ceremony of the factory, officials from the Afghan government reaffirmed the Islamic Emirates' steadfast support for all investors and entrepreneurs in the country. Nuruddin Azizi, the acting Minister of Industry and Commerce, emphasized Afghanistan's potential for investment and the Islamic Emirates' backing for business endeavors. Azizi denounced businessmen who profit from Afghanistan but invest abroad as enemies of the people, urging national investors to contribute to the country's development. Abdul Latif Nazari, deputy of the Ministry of Economy, encouraged investors abroad to seize the security opportunity in Afghanistan and invest in sectors like iron, smelting within the nation. The iron smelting factory itself has already created job opportunities for approximately 700 individuals in Kabul. Meanwhile, representatives from the private sector expressed their commitment to supporting domestic production and appealed to the Islamic Emirate for increased investment facilitation. Abdul Nasir Reshtia, executive director of the Union of Iron Smelting Factories, stressed the importance of accessible mines to fully utilize the sector's potential. Saki Ahmad Paiman, deputy of the Chamber of Industries and Mines, highlighted the abundance of opportunities in various sectors across Afghanistan, including mining, industry, water resources, and agriculture. Data from the Union of Iron Smelting Factories reveals the presence of 42 active steel production factories in Afghanistan, with nearly $500 million invested in the industry. The inauguration of the second phase of production at Mellit Steel Factory heralds a watershed moment in Afghanistan's voyage towards industrial and economic prosperity. This initiative not only showcases the nation's potential for economic emancipation, but also serves as a blueprint for sustainable development and conscientious industry practices. As Afghanistan embarks on this transformative trajectory, the vistas of future growth and progress appear boundless. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.